Have you ever been told you can't do something because you're too young? Well, there are some stars in our galaxy facing a similar problem, but instead of being too young to drive a car, they're too young to exist where we see them. This is what scientists call the paradox of youth in astronomy. Let's start with some basics. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is like a giant cosmic city. At its centre is a supermassive black hole. Think of it as a giant vacuum cleaner in space, sucking in everything nearby. Scientists call this black hole Sagittarius I star. It's super heavy, about 4 million times heavier than our Sun. Now here's where it gets weird. Around this space vacuum, we'd expect to find only old stars. Why? Because the black hole should make it impossible for new stars to form. It's like trying to build a sandcastle in a hurricane. It just shouldn't work. But when scientists looked closely, they saw something surprising. Young stars, lots of them. It's as if someone found a group of teenagers hanging out in a retirement home. These stars are only a few million years old, which in star terms is super young. So what's going on? How did these baby stars end up in such a dangerous neighbourhood? One idea is that these stars were born somewhere else and moved in. But that doesn't work. These stars are so young, they wouldn't have had time to travel that far. It's like expecting a toddler to have already moved out and gotten a job. Another thought is that maybe they were actually born right there, near the black hole. But remember our sandcastle in a hurricane? It shouldn't be possible. The black hole's gravity should tear apart any clouds of gas before they can turn into stars. This is where things get really interesting. What if the very thing that should stop stars from forming is actually helping them form? Imagine two big clouds of gas near the black hole. They're zooming around super fast, and then, wham! They crash into each other. This crash could squish the gas so tightly that it starts forming stars, even with the black hole nearby. But wait, there's more. Some of these young stars aren't just hanging around. They're racing around the black hole at incredible speeds. We're talking millions of miles per hour. One star named S2 goes around the black hole every 16 years. To put that in perspective, our Sun takes about 230 million years to go around the centre of the galaxy once. S2 is like a cosmic race car zooming around the track, while other stars are still tying their shoelaces. These fast-moving stars are so cool that scientists are using them to test some of Einstein's ideas about how gravity works. It's like these stars are helping us solve not just one, but many space mysteries, but we still don't have all the answers. Could there be other things helping stars form near the black hole? Maybe giant space magnets, we call them magnetic fields, are involved? Or perhaps the black hole is shooting out jets of material that help make stars. The centre of our galaxy is like a huge science experiment. It's a place where weird space stuff happens and new stars are born against all odds. It reminds us that the universe is often stranger than we can imagine. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, somewhere out there in the heart of our galaxy, baby stars are being born in one of the most dangerous places imaginable. They're breaking all the rules we thought we knew about how stars form. The paradox of youth shows us that even in the toughest environments, amazing things can happen. Stars find a way to be born, no matter the odds. It's a reminder that the universe is full of surprises, just waiting for us to discover them. And who knows, maybe one day we'll solve this cosmic mystery completely. Until then, we can marvel at these impossible young stars, defying expectations and lighting up the heart of our galaxy.